All right, so one of the subscribers of the channel asked to do a walk around of the dually we have here at 5 Star Tuning. This is one of the shop trucks we put a Whipple on. Special ordered this truck. Has the King Ranch with 430 gears. Sharp truck. Anyway, he just wanted a walk around, so that's what I'm doing. This truck already has, as you can see, 74,000 miles on it. We've had 0 issues out of it. Of course, we keep up with all the service and everything on it. Engine bay's dirty. Like I say, this thing's been across the world. We've took it to numerous shows out of state. Pulling a bumper pull, fifth wheel. Like I said, it's been everywhere. Like I said, no issues at all. Does have aftermarket suspension on it, King suspension, different size tires from the factory. And so the exhaust and everything is stock on this truck. It has still has the resonator on it. Still has stock muffler, tailpipe. Only thing is done to it, minus the Whipple supercharger, it does have a set of Stainless Works long tube headers. So if you're wanting to be quiet, you really wouldn't know the truck had headers on it. It sounds not much louder than stock, so do a little start up so you can listen to it. Like I say, you can tell just by the idle, it's not loud. Even when you get out and romp down on it, still fairly quiet. So if you're not wanting a lot of noise and you're wanting something quiet, you know, I highly recommend going with the headers anytime you do the supercharger. So if you don't want to be loud, this is definitely a way to go. Of course, you can hear the Whipple, but I'll say the tone of the truck itself is pretty damn quiet. So there you go. If you have any questions or anything, or would like to see some more videos, I'm sure I can make it happen. And if you don't mind, reach out to 5 Star Tuning, or you can reach out to me for all your custom tuning needs for the 7.3 Godzilla or EcoBoost or 5.0 liter, whatever you may have. If you're looking to go boosted, anything like that, I'd be happy to have everybody out. Thanks for stopping by.